हेलो एंड वेलकम। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है टू येट अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑफ योर फेवरेट ऑटो शो। ये है जिग्निशन। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट ऋषभ मथारू और आज हमारे साथ हैं मेरे टीममेट और सीनियर एडिटर मुंतसर मीरकर।
हेलो एवरीवन एंड दैट्स राइट। आज का शो काफ़ी एक्शन पैक्ड है, तो आइए देखते हैं अगले आधे घंटे में क्या क्या लाइंड अप है।
वेल टाइम देन टू किक थिंग्स ऑफ। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पीछे है टाटा की सफारी स्टॉर्म, जो पहले सफारी से एक काफ़ी इम्प्रूव वर्जन है। इज़न्ट दैट राइट मुंतसर?
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने ऋषभ। इनफैक्ट ये ना तो सिर्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट है, ये बहुत बड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट है। और इनफैक्ट जब से टाटा मोटर्स ने अपना पैसेंजर कार बिजनेस शुरू किया है, वो इम्प्रूव होते जा रहे हैं। ये जो अगली गाड़ी है, लेकिन ये इनफैक्ट एक रेवोल्यूशन है।
That's right. हमारे एडिटर इन चीफ आदिल जलदारू खानावाला गोवा में थे to get a test drive of this very special Tata car. So far, it has been a long journey for Tata Motors. उनके मोर कार पर कार इंडिका से लेकर अब तक टाटा मोटर्स ने काफी मुकाम पार किए हैं. But they've also had their shares of ups and downs, issues with quality, और उसकी वजह से उनके पैसेंजर कार सेल्स ने भी पिछले कुछ सालों में एक ड्रॉप देखा है. लेकिन अब ये सब कुछ बदलने वाला है.
The Manza was, really speaking, one of the finest vehicles which came out from Tata Motors in the past. Unfortunately, it did not carry that further. So much so that many were asking whether Tata Motors would ever get out of the troubles which it faced from a customer perspective, from even a thought process in the mind, because everyone was doubting it. Let me tell you, whenever someone is pushed to the wall, most guys who show mettle come out fighting. I think Tata Motors has done just that. Let's say hello to the new Tata Zest.
वाकई टाटा मोटर्स इंडिया के पहले मैन्युफैक्चरर थे to kickstart this compact sedan segment with their sub 4 meter class Indigo CS. Of course, with the Zest, Tata has taken a totally new ground up approach जो इस सेगमेंट के बाकी कंपटीशन को काफी हिला सकता है.
This is, really speaking, one of the most competitive segments and also the most desirable segments for an average Indian. Tata Motors Zest is all new. No carry-ons from the past. Nothing. Not even attitude. You'd be hard-pressed to think that this is a Tata vehicle when you drive it. Let's take you around the car first and then put it through its paces in the short time we have here in Goa.
Unlike any Tata car we've seen before, इस all new Zest में आप ना सिर्फ solid engineering बल्कि superior build quality और excellent fit and finish महसूस कर पाएंगे. Not just that, there's some potent engines on offer as well as good drivability, comfort and space, handling ability और efficiency भी. पर सबसे पहले let's take a good close look at how good it looks up close. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है that it looks quite edgy, at the same time quite curvaceous. विस्टा के X1 प्लेटफॉर्म को काफी मॉडिफाई करके टाटा ने जेस्ट में एक अलग स्पोर्टी और वेल प्लांटेड स्टांस दिया है. This is further accentuated by the sculpting on the bumpers और ये thick character lines.
Entry and exit in a car is so paramount for a whole wide spectrum of users. This is damn easy. The ergonomics in the Tata car are something to be marveled at, and the car has a tremendously planted poise. The 15-inch wheels with the alloy rims really hint at a line of thought which the designers and the product planners have imbibed. They have not shedded away like so many would do on the issue of cost cutting.
अंदर से you will be surprised with the levels of quality and the comfort offered by this classy cabin. इस two-tone color scheme की वजह से the cabin feels light and airy. डैशबोर्ड पर पियानो ब्लैक और गन मेटल ग्रे प्लास्टिक ट्रिम इस्तेमाल किए गए हैं along with bits of chrome. स्टीयरिंग व्हील साइज में विस्टा से छोटा है but feels good to grip. ऑडियो कंट्रोल्स भी स्टीयरिंग पर ही माउंट किए गए हैं। इंस्ट्रूमेंट क्लस्टर में हाउस स्पीडो और रेफ काउंटर भी काफी अट्रैक्टिव दिखते हैं, while being easy to read and housing all the information you need, including a detailed fuel and trip computer. Touch and feel में Zest is beyond anything made by Tata so far. सीट्स पर भी काफी काम किया गया है और Zest के सीट्स वाकई वेल कुशन्ड हैं as well as supportive. टॉप एंड ट्रिम में फ्रंट सीट हाइट एडजस्टर्स भी दिए गए हैं। When it comes to the rear bench, 3 लोग comfortably पीछे बैठ सकते हैं।
Every aspect of this comfort factor has been taken to a new level. A phenomenally brilliant seating position for either the driver or the front seat passenger as well as those in the back seat.
फीचर्स के लिस्ट में टॉप एंड वर्जन के लिए एक ऑटोमेटिक क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल भी अवेलेबल होगा, along with a new infotainment system made by Harman. 8 स्पीकर्स के साथ इस यूनिट में USB, Bluetooth, aux in और SD कार्ड सपोर्ट भी होगा। टॉप एंड वेरिएंट में इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम के लिए एक टच स्क्रीन ऑप्शन भी मिलेगा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, देयर इज आल्सो प्रॉक्सिमिटी सेंसर्स फॉर पार्किंग, कार सेटिंग्स कंट्रोल और वॉइस कमांड्स भी मौजूद हैं।
This car runs a lot of international rivals very close, and that in the overall analysis is a big leap forward for Tata Motors.
On the move, all these creature comforts make it a great place to log in the kilometers.
The cabin of the new Tata Zest is a great place to be in, whether behind the wheel or any other place seat in the house. One thing is for sure, you'll be very comfortable wherever you are perched. The driving position is excellent, but what also brings the smiles, and the smiles stay on for the entire journey, is the fact that the cabin ambience is very pleasing. It's not just about the new look design of the fascia, the dashboard, the IP, or the fact that it is color coded with a good contrasting stuff, but the various thoughts in materials which are used, the various appliques or the various textures or the tints given, the black piano finish is so very classy, but actually speaking, not many people will appreciate it because it works so very well. It's unobtrusive, but it's classy. The surrounds with the tiny chrome insert, very well defined, and actually speaking, nothing is jarring in the interior at all.
Of course, इस गाड़ी का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है the engines on offer, जो पहले के टाटा कार्स के engines जैसे बिल्कुल नहीं हैं। Whether it's refinement or power delivery, ये Revotron engines में काफी कुछ खास है। दोनों डीजल और पेट्रोल ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल होंगे with a 1.2 लीटर 4-cylinder turbocharged पेट्रोल जो 90 PS पावर बनाता है at 5000 RPM और 140 Newton meters of torque between 1750 and 3500 RPM. डीजल इंजन एक 1248 सीसी 4-cylinder turbo intercooled यूनिट है, pumping out 90 PS लेकिन 4000 RPM पर with 200 Newton meters of torque at 1750 to 3000 RPM. Thanks to a smart ECU, इस Revotron engine में मल्टी ड्राइव मोड्स भी हैं जिससे डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर ड्राइविंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स इंजन अपने पावर डिलीवरी को मॉडिफाई करता है टू ऑफर बेटर माइलेज और पावर। हमारे पास Zest की पेट्रोल वेरिएंट थी जिसकी रिफाइनमेंट महसूस करने लायक है।
This new Revotron 1.2 liter engine which resides under the bonnet and provides the tractive power for this car is a marvel. It has got 3 driving modes. The default mode is the city mode in which we are right now traveling in. But you get down to this button and press Eco, and it really what you call makes for lazy torque down below. Tractability is not compromised, but in fact enhanced in the lower rim so that the drive is sustained without much fuel consumption. It really helps it. And if you are the Narain Karthikeyan type, then you put Sport, and then It's a very different animal altogether. 1.2 liters is not a lot, but there's a tiny water-cooled turbo which does a lot of work. One of the first in the gasoline engine category in India to have a 1.2 liter MPFI turbo engine. Tata Motors has pulled out all the stops. Pulling out all the stops is one thing. Making the car never stops is another. And that's what this engine is really putting the smiles on so many of our faces. You never could perceive that this was a car or an engine or a transmission made in India at Tata Motors plant in Pune.
पेट्रोल इंजन के लिए ट्रांसमिशन एक 5-स्पीड सिंक्रोमेश गियरबॉक्स है विद ओवरड्राइव। गियर रेशियो सही तरह से मैच किए गए हैं, ऑफरिंग पावर एज एंड व्हेन यू नीड इट। डीजल वेरिएंट के लिए देयर विल बी अ फर्स्ट इन क्लास F-ट्रॉनिक 5-स्पीड ऑटोमेटेड मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन, जिससे दोनों ऑटोमेटिक और सीक्वेंशियल गियर शिफ्टिंग हो सकती है। इंडिया के पहले डीजल AMT यूनिट होने के साथ साथ इसमें 2 ड्राइव मोड्स भी होंगे, सिटी और स्पोर्ट्स, पावर एज यू नीड इट। चैसी और सस्पेंशन के एरिया में भी टाटा ने काफी कुछ काम किया है एंड इट शोज, with the Zest showing off a great balance between both ride and handling without compromising on either. कोई भी surface हो, Zest confidently or quietly उसे पार कर लेती है। Not just that, it's quite a capable handler as well.
The suspension, especially the tweaks they have done on the damping aspect, and plus also on giving a fantastic ride to the person who sits behind, because they feel the jolts much more and much quicker than the guy who's sitting behind the wheel. Everyone comes out fresh as a daisy after a long ride. Brakes are very, very adequate, and in fact they have used probably the latest generation of Bosch ABS to assist in very, very quick, easy and safe retardation.
From the way it drives to what it offers to how it feels inside out, Tata की Zest no doubt एक top-notch performer है. But what really makes it special for this class of car is the way it interacts with its driver.
The Koreans have taken a leap forward in a lot of connectivity issues, given that the digital world has made so many of us a slave to cell phones and being connected on the move. It's a very intrusive society. So Tata Motors has gone on to deliver a connective world within the cabin of the Zest. So what you have got is voice command recognition. You could sync your phone not just for making voice calls or asking with voice commands to dial A number or B number, but you could also read your SMSs on the move. You could what you call for your favorite FM radio station. You could have music being played through. So nothing has been restricted in thought by the product planners. This is a new step.
अभी तक हमने Zest का full on mileage test नहीं किया है, so stay tuned for details on that as well as its pricing. But एक चीज साफ जाहिर है, and that is what a game changer this car will be.
Let's hope all this fructifies in early August with a great price point as well, because you cannot distance this car away from its immediate rivals, so the price point also would have to be very commiserate on that front. I can only say one thing as far as its rivals are concerned. They need to be concerned because the Zest is a really well conceived, well designed, well engineered and most important, very well performing machine.
Zest बेशक एक highly competitive segment में आ रही है, but it does have a lot going for it, especially with the diesel AMT. अब अगर इसे सही प्राइस किया जाएगा, there's no doubt that it may just be the car that puts Tata back in the game.
पर्सनली मुझे लगता है कि अगर आपको कॉम्पैक्ट सेडान खरीदना है तो आपको टाटा जेस्ट के लिए रुकना चाहिए। फिलहाल तो टाइम हुआ एक छोटे से ब्रेक का। वील बी बैक विथ मोर इग्निशन।